Assalamualaikum to all viewers. In this video, we will present our project which is Automated Inventory Control System. Automated inventory control systems are crucial benchmarks of company digitalization. Nowadays, it's not a trendy feature but a constant necessity if a company is willing to compete well on the market. How can supply chain business processes be made to run more smoothly? Inventory automation is described as the use of software or technology to manage warehouse in real time with the least amount of labor and mistakes possible. Example, Amazon claimed 350 billion in yearly sales in 2020 despite the globe being in the grip of a pandemic, thanks to its developed smart warehouses which are equipped with cutting-edge technology for automated inventory management, such as buy a product to purchasing it via Alexa smart devices and getting it delivered as soon as possible. Following these success cases, it becomes clear that the inventory and warehouse automation helps to cover all the processes comprising order, receipt, inventory maintenance, reporting, billing, premises zones assignment, and share. So, when no stock taking of books, example both purchased and available, has been done at the university bookshop since its beginnings. As a consequence, issues such as inaccurate bookkeeping, difficulties identifying accessible jobs, needless waste of client time, and so on are common. As a result, the university bookshop management needs something designed to create a new sort of automated inventory control system that will aid in record keeping and make the job of the bookshop attendants easier.
So for the problem statement, conventional inventory control method is the main choice for most business even on today. There are two types of inventory control methods in the world right now. It is paper and digital. So right now I want to talk about the disadvantages of conventional inventory control. That's meant by using paper. So firstly, papers containing the document can be easily stolen. It can be sabotaged by unauthorized people. Hard copies are not liked to be carried around in big amounts. It was a potential medium on virus transmission, and it is easily flammable. So for the expectation of completed project is it can maximize portability and security. It can reducing safety risk that may cause loss and damage.
The objective of this system are to enforce security measures, to enhance accountability, to increase the productivity, and to bring out efficiency.
The advantages of the system: firstly, it will bring about efficiency in the organization. Secondly, it is easy to maintain. Thirdly, the system will make the job of the bookshop attendants easier, and this will bring about an increase in productivity. The fourth one is, since authentication will be provided for the system, only the bookshop attendants or authorized users can access the system.
The context diagram is only one entity, which is bookshop attendant. Bookshop attendants will be provide attendant QR code and attendant info to the system, and the system will give book and receipt info to the bookshop attendant.
Next, for the diagram 0, the first process is the attendant need to scan QR code or create QR code. Then the info will be stored in attendant QR code record. If the login successful, the attendant need to search customer info. Then the info will be recorded in customer records database. For process 2, which is find book, the book info will be searched in the bookshop inventory database. Next, for process 3, which is issue book, the book info and customer info will be stored in transaction details database. Finally, the receipt will be print out. For the user interface, to register into the system, the attendant needs to generate QR. The attendant need to insert attendant ID, first name, middle name, and last name. Then QR will be generated and can be saved. Next, the attendants need to scan the QR code. The attendants need to place the QR code inside the scan area. The access will be granted if the QR code is valid, or will be denied if the QR code is not valid. Next, attendant needs to insert the customer detail, first name, middle name, last name, address, and date. At the user interface to search book, the ID, name, author, publisher, price, and category will be shown. Next, at the receipt interface, the customer, attendant, and receipt details will be printed out.
For project scope, the system will be streamlined to only take stock of books, and it will be used at the independent bookshop. The automated bookshop inventory control system will keep accurate records of all books that come into the shop, their authors, their names, their various cost price, and customer information.